So if you had asked me when I was 17 or 18 years old that I would have been in the United States by the time I was 22, I would have told you you're crazy. But we say sometimes in Italy, destiny. But it was more an act of love. My mom got married again and we decided to move here to the United States. And the journey has been long and not always easy. We had to sacrifice a lot. We had to learn a new language. We had to learn a new cultures. Came here with no resource, no friends, no family, except of course my mom and my brothers. So talking about milestone in your life, we were chosen by a company to run the pizza concession at the Super Bowl in Phoenix. One of the most iconic sport event in the United States and probably even the world. How do you assemble a team of 16, 20 pizza makers? It takes a lot of connection and some good collaboration and some good friends. In particular, Giulio Adriani, my very good friend, is the dough doctor.
That we didn't put on the list, but he still made it through. He's going to work the guy, and then after he's going to come at 3:30 and help us for the night. Who is this guy? Which one?
Almost ready.
Bucket of this. I'm going to do so much.
Yeah, that's ready.
Let's come check the ratio.
I just did it.
And then we have Daniele Gagliotta that came from overseas. And then locally, we had another good friend, Justin Piazza, that made his space available to do all the preparation. And then, the rest of the team, I got some friends that came from Connecticut, some from DC, some from Virginia, Maryland, and then some local friends also from Phoenix, Arizona. This is a compelling story of a family that they came here and started from zero. And I think, after 2-3 years, we created our first company. We ran that company for 15 years. It was a food distributor. And then we had an opportunity to launch Marra Forni, the first, authentic, traditional brick oven manufacturing in the United States. And at that point, the purpose of the Marra family, it was to continue to export and represent the Italian tradition and heritage of food and beverage and hospitalities. And we decided to do it through food equipment, in particular brick ovens. So we were cooking, authentic Neapolitan pizza, and we were using some preferred brand that we use also at Pizza University in Culinary Arts. In particular, we were using, Caputo flours for the dough making. We were using chow tomato mixed with some Stanislaus tomato for the tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella. We were using grande cheese. We're using grated Parmesan from Belgioso. Mike honey for the pizza with pepperoni. Pepperoni, we're using Etzel sausage. You know, the selection of ingredients is extremely important to deliver an excellent pizza, and we only chose the best. So I've learned to not take anything for granted, and sometimes, you know, people don't realize what it takes to move equipment from one location to another one. And so we shipped, you know, a flatbed 53 foot just with our ovens and equipment dedicated. They left DC, I believe, 2 weeks before, and traveled about 2,500 miles from DC to Phoenix. And then on site there was a team of qualified riggers that downloaded the equipment and the oven safely. And then our team went on site to help them basically build the venue. And we had a nice space, I believe it was 30 by 20 feet. And it just was it was a great opportunity for us to not only show our equipment ability to coordinate and to deliver a good space.
Marra is getting ready to go to the box. We're going to the Super Bowl, Arizona Stadium.
How do you execute a perfect event? It's all in preparation and planning, and make sure that everybody's focused the day of the event. Give the right instruction to the team. We selected a team of qualified pizzaioli, and at the beginning of the event, obviously we want to make sure that everybody knows what the role is. And once we put a team together, I made sure that everybody knew that the expectations were high. We were asked to deliver a great product. I wouldn't ask anything less from our team, and everybody did a phenomenal job. They executed, they were focused, they had fun, but at the same time they executed and they made a perfect product, consistent, all 10 hours, and fantastic job, and we killed it. far as the game, that was an amazing game. Very competitive, a lot of points, and it came just to the last 30 seconds. You know, if you look at at a sports event, you can ask for anything less or anything more than that. But I still think our team did a better job than that.
Step up in the building, killing it. They thought I wouldn't. 0 to 100, baby, I'm dripping in diamonds. This goes in my eyes, it's special. Climb up to my level, wanna see the view. Can you do it like that? Kiss it like that, making it last fast. Bring it right back, wear it like that, move it like that, like it like. Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it last fast. Bring it right back, wear it like that, move it like that, like it like. Do it like that, kiss it like that, making it last fast. Bring it right back, wear it like that, move it like that, like it like that. Like that, like that. Do it like that, do it like that, that. Like that, like that. Do it like that, do it like that, that. Tell me you're a winner without telling me your name. I'm the pieces, players, and the fans, baby. I'm the game. I'm stunning all of the lights, yeah. I'm taking all of my time, yeah. Baby, can you handle it? Handle me.
Are you proud of yourself? I would say yes. I think we're proud of what our family has achieved in the last year in the United States. We say in the United States, hard work pays off, and I think that's a good expression. I think we've been working hard for what we have done and what we have accomplished in our life here in the United States. And I think there is a lot more that you're going to hear about Marra Forni, and there's going to be a lot more opportunity, and you'll still see our brand, our company, our family continue to grow and succeed.